Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me video, and today I'm going to be merging neons with the buffalo, unicorns and the monkeys. I'm going to be making neon pets. Let's go to the cave. To make them neon, you need to make sure that they're all adults, and it can't be different rare pets. It has to be all the same rare pets, or it could just be any pets. But they have to be adult, which means there's no newborn, junior, or preteen, or teen, or any of those bars above your pet. Then that means it's an adult. So let's go to the cave. And if you're new to Adopt Me, the first bridge you're driving on, then if you go in the big middle dome, then you can see the thing, and you go in there, and then that's the place where you merge them. So let's do the unicorns first. I've aged them up all the way to adults. Okay, and for the last... Oh yeah. Okay, I placed the wrong one. Okay, jeez. It's so good! Boy! Oh my god, it's so cute! It's so cute! I'm wondering if I can get 4 mega neons and put them on here. What happens? What happens if you put 4 mega neons on this? What happens? So you need 4 neons you need 4 pets to make a neon and 4 neons to make a mega neon. Let's do the monkeys. Just so you know, you can't ever get monkeys again, because that was a special event for monkeys. Oh, the last monkey. Monkey. Oh, it's my brother. Oh, it's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute. Okay, and then the buffaloes. I never actually made a buffalo neon. I'm wondering why I never made a buffalo neon. For the last one. It's neoning. What am I saying? The neoning doesn't even make sense. Oh, it's green. Why is it green? Why is it green? Anyways, I'm so happy. I have 4 neons. I have 4 neons. There are 5 pet ages to go through. There's a newborn, junior, preteen, and teen, and post-teen. And once you've complete post-teen, then they'll become fully grown and you can merge them into neons. If you have eggs, you can hatch them for 45 Robux, and I don't have any. But I wouldn't do the Robux because there's only 5 tasks you need to do to hatch them. Different pets have different tasks. So a newborn common pet will have 3 tasks, and a newborn legendary pet will have 13 tasks. So the more higher the pet, the more tasks you do. So you can find the information on the description below. Make sure you watch the next video with the mega neon pets. So I'm going to merge 4 neons into 1 mega neon. So in total there are 16 pets to make a huge mega neon pet. And a mega neon, and if you don't know what a mega neon pet does, it's like fully growing rainbow. Like the neon color changes rainbow from red to pink, and it just keeps on going in rainbow colors. Okay, competition time, guys. You can win a neon pet, and the rule is simple. All you have to do is subscribe and like to my channel. Okay, so thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the heart.